Today is Tuesday, April 28th. We are on week 5, lesson 2. So today, did I do it again? How is that happening? Today, our agenda, we're going to go over our what, why, and how together. You all have a no red ink quiz on verb tenses, and then we're going to talk about continuing to catch up. So our what, why, and how. You have a no red ink quiz. You have done, I believe, 3 practices up to this point. And today we're going to assess your skills on verb tenses. And my goal for you, you're going to know that you're successful when you have scored a proficient score, so a B or higher. And then the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to continue to do your work, continue to get you all organized, and to continue to complete your work. So, your no red ink quiz. I don't know why this slide has a lemon on it, but it works. I don't know. I think it works. So, here's what we're going to do. I would like you to make sure that you take time to review if you need to. Make sure that you do the practices. I'm noticing that a lot of you skipped over the practice for the last no red ink quiz, and you didn't do so hot. And those of you who 100% did your practices usually got between an A and a B. So I highly recommend that you either review or you make sure that you've taken time to do at least some of the practice. Okay? Oops. That was not what I meant to do. So I'm just going to go back to this slide. Your task when you're done with your quiz. A lot of you did a really good job yesterday of getting yourselves caught up and making sure that you filled out that chart. I would love for you to continue to fill that out, mark things off as you get them done. If that chart doesn't really work for you and you want to send me an email and talk to me about some other things that might work for you, I can still give you credit for that as well. One of the things that I highly, highly, highly recommend, I cannot recommend it enough, if you are caught up with your work, is that you listen to Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry, and get yourself finished and caught up with that book so that we can move on to the book we're going to read for our end of the year unit. Okay, so if you're done with the no red ink quiz, if you're done with stuff for other classes, my suggestion to you would be to finish Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. Finish Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. Finish it, finish it, finish it. All right, see you tomorrow, peeps.